There we go. Okay, so finding a percentage of an amount. So this is getting a bit more practical into our financial side of things, because you might walk into a shop and say, we're going to get a 15% discount. We want to find out what that 15% is. So to do a question like this, the percentage, a percentage is always out of 100. So the 15%, I want you to make it a fraction and put it over 100. So 15 over 100. The word of means to multiply by 35. Okay, so that's going to be our working out. 15% is 15 over 100. Of means 35. And then you type in the calculator. The calculator's out. 15 over 100 times 35, press equals. Now, if this is money, we don't want fractions when we're talking about money, right? What am I going to press? Press the SD. So that means $5.25. That's a lot more, makes a lot more sense than the fraction did. So let's put here $5.25. That's what our discount would be. Let's try the next one. Question 2 says I want 45% of 80 kilograms. So the percentage always goes over 100. Of means times by our amount, which is 80. So this time we're not doing money, but still works the same. 45 over 100 times by 80 equals, that's a nice number, 36. And this time we're talking about kilograms, so put the kg after it. Question 3, back to money again. See if you can show me the working out before I do it. 23% of 74.3. Try, Ashley, can you do the working out part? How'd you go? So the working out should be 23 over 100 times by 7.3 or 30 if you want to put the 0 on it. And let's type it in. So that's 17.089. Okay. When this happens, if we are talking about money, and we're going to talk about this through the rest of this topic, because pretty much everything we're going to do in this topic is going to be involving money. When we are dealing with money, we don't have to do 3 decimal places. We always do 2, because the cents is the second decimal place. So this would be a 10 cents, which is first decimal place, and 1 cent would be a second decimal place. And we would round that to be 17.09. We're not going to round that up to the nearest 10 cents because we often using credit cards or bank cards where we can use the nearest cent. Okay, so just round, always round. When it's money, always round, correct to 2 decimal places, even if it doesn't say pony. Percentage on top. The 23 should be on top. Okay, so let's put a $sign on that. Because the percentages are out of 100. So remember that one, Kobe? So the percentage is out of 100, so the 23 goes over 100, and then you times it by the other amount. Question 4 is just a wordier version. It is still doing the same kind of calculation, but it will try to confuse you by putting a whole lot of extra words in there. So it says about 80% of the mass of the human body is water. If Carla weighs 60 kilograms, how many kilograms of water make up her body weight? I wanted to find out what 80% of her weight is. That's the short version. So 80% means 80 over 100. The percentage goes over 100. 80 over 100. And I times that by her weight, which is 60. And that will tell me how much of her is water. Yeah, so 48 kilograms of her is water. Okay, same process over and over and over again. So here it is, tons of them. Find 24% of 121. So 24 over 100 by 121. Percentage, always over 100 times the other number. Yeah? All right, see how many of those you can do.